Doing right now. Okay, cheers. We about to do our veggies, y'all. We're gonna make some steamed cabbage. We got everything already chopped up in there. Our carrots, our cabbage, our tomatoes. You know what I mean? All that's up in there. We got our little seasonings to put with it, and then we're gonna make some steamed cabbage, y'all. Stay tuned. Little dip of butter. That's all you need. A little black pepper. Okay, let's go. So there you go. There you go your steamed veg. Like I say, a little salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper. Little onions up in there. Carrots. Tomatoes. And you're good to go, man. You just put a little butter in the pan, mix that up, and let that steam down. Some people, they like it a little, you know, they like it fresh. We like it a little seasoned up with our little flavors in it. So, there you have it. Okay, so there you have it, your mixed veggies. You know what I mean? Like I said, all you got in there is your carrots, your green peppers, your onions, your tomatoes, and your cabbage. You know what I mean? You just mix that together, a little salt, pepper, you know what I mean? Put a little butter in the pan, and you're good to go. Our steamed veggies is done. Our steamed veg is done. See that? That looking pretty right there.